Hand-built kitchens in Thailand. Ceramic tiles, concrete blocks and doors from Do Home. A small kitchen, about maybe 10,000. If you want to build an extensive kitchen with maybe 6 or 7 doors, 4 cabinets, you're looking at about 30,000 baht for the cabinets, the tiles, adhesive, labour and all the tiles for the floors. But a really nice kitchen. You could add a space and put in a hopper, extractor hood and an inset cooker. No problems at all. And an oven, you could put an oven. We no bother because it's just for rentals, but people just use it for cooking in the daytime and at night time. And a larger fridge freezer. And then we've got a separate dining room. You put a TV in it, but you can sit here and eat. But the kitchen there, all from Do Home. I think the base cabinets are about 690 baht. The wall cabinets, just maybe 1,000 baht-ish to buy the wall cabinets. So it's not too expensive. The ceramic you can buy in Do Home for, I think the ones cost about 129 baht for the ceramic. The floor tiles about 120 baht as well. So, and just normal sand and cement to do the worktops and to do these tiles on the front. And then the floor tiles, same, just sand and cement, no adhesive, but no problem to stick. But use the good quality tiger cement, you have no problem. An inset bowl, we get the 2,500 for a good quality one with all the drainage and soft, the drainage and the grates and stuff like that to make it work. So that's a hand-built kitchen. Start price 10,000 for a half decent one, and a really big kitchen 30,000. The building time 4 days, 2 men, and say there's 500 baht a day for labour. So 4,000 baht labour, 4,000, and the rest is for to buy the ceramic doors, adhesive, and some steel rod to go through to support the worktops. Other than that, it's a good kitchen for the under 30,000 baht. Okay, this kitchen's built at Leah Resort in Udon Thani, so you're welcome to visit and take a look and see how we built it. Okay, so bye for now and thanks for looking.